Hello, I'm Anita. Today I'm going to teach you solving the system of equations by graphical method. Suppose I'm taking two equations as 3x minus 2y is equal to 4 and the second equation as x plus y is equal to 3. First we'll solve each equation for y. So for that I'll subtract negative 3x here, negative 3x here. So negative 2y is equal to negative 3x plus 4. Now I'll divide both the side by negative 2. So it will be y is equal to negative 3x over 2 plus 4 over negative 2. Now this negative and this negative will get cancelled. So y is equal to 3x over 2. This negative and positive becomes negative and this becomes 2. Now I'll prepare a function table for the first equation. So y is equal to 3x over 2 minus 2. With the function table, we'll get the coordinates of x and y. Suppose I am taking x equal to 0. So y is equal to 3 times 0, which is 0 over 2, negative 2. So 0 minus 2, that gives you negative 2. So the coordinates will be 0, negative 2. Suppose I am taking x equal to 2. So 3 times 2 over 2 minus 2. So 6 over 2 minus 2. So that becomes 3 minus 2, which is 1. So the coordinates will be 2, 1. Now I'll solve the second equation for y. For that, I'll subtract negative x on both the sides. So the equation becomes y is equal to negative x plus 3. Now I'll again prepare a function table for the second equation. First, I'll take x equal to 0. So it will be 0 plus 3, which is nothing but 3. So the coordinates will be 0, 3. Suppose I am taking x equal to negative 1. So negative times negative 1 plus 3. So negative times negative is positive 1 plus 3, that is equal to 4. So the coordinates will be negative 1, 4. Now we'll plot all these points on the graph paper. Suppose this is a graph paper. Now I'll plot each coordinates on the graph paper. First I'll plot the first coordinates on the graph paper, which is 0, negative 2. Now here x is 0 and y is negative 2. So the point will lie on the y-axis on negative side. So this will be the point. Now the second point is 2, 1. Both are positive. So 2 on the x-axis and 1 on the y-axis. So this is 2, 1. Now I'll join these points like this. Now I'll plot the second point on the graph paper. Second equation on the graph paper, which is 0, 3. X coordinate is 0, y coordinate is 3. So the point will be here on the y-axis. The second coordinates are -1, 4. So -1, 4. The point will be this. Now if I'll join this, I will get the line like this. Now from the graph we can see that both the lines intersect at point 2, 1. 2, 1. So the solution of this equation, this system of equation is 2, 1. Thank you.